You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name, this name of this fashion designer. If you want to learn more luxury brands that everybody mispronounces, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, and till the end of the video I'll link them all up for you there. Italian pronunciation, let's break it down. Ermenegildo, Ermenegildo. If you cannot pronounce Italian, you can say it as Ermenegildo, Ermenegildo Zegna. That's your Italian pronunciation here. Let's hear it carefully again. Ermenegildo Zegna. Or in English, Ermenegildo Zegna. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.